Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Classy affiliate link verification for non-profit donations step by step clearly. To verify your Classy affiliate link for non-profit donations, start by logging into your Classy account. Navigate to the affiliate dashboard. Locate the section labeled Affiliate Links. Copy your unique affiliate link provided in the dashboard. Open a new browser tab and paste the copied link into the address bar. Press Enter to visit the link. Ensure that the landing page is the designated donation page for your nonprofit. Fill out the donation form to continue the verification process. Complete the required fields, including the donation amount. Select the payment method and enter the payment details. Before submitting, check for any errors in the information provided. Submit the donation to finalize the process. Once the donation is processed, check your confirmation email for verification. Return to the affiliate dashboard in your Classy account. Look for notifications related to the donation made through your affiliate link. Confirm that the donation reflects in your dashboard. If everything appears correct, your affiliate link verification is successful. If the donation isn't recorded, troubleshoot by checking the link format. Revisit the Classy support page for additional assistance if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.